Welcome to Stone Hands, to the Hands of Stone. While we are communicating, we need to learn how to avoid such mistakes. The first mistake when we are making offers is miscommunication, being vague about the topic, about our intention. I'll bring you an example. I wanted to go on one podcast that's quite famous in our country and I never received an invite, so that's already vagueness. I was waiting, okay, maybe one day the host will invite me, but no. And then I realized I had to invite myself. Okay, how I shall invite? Should I write a long letter, an email? How are you? I am Simo and I'm doing voice work and I like this and that and or should I write a message or should I find the phone number of the person? But then I decided, or actually it was no question for me because it's normal for me. I found out the most convenient way how I can communicate with him, and that's by sending an instant text message. Okay, and I said, "Hi, how can I invite myself to your podcast?" That's all. And the guy replied, of course, that okay, what's your topic? Let's have a lunch together and we can discuss, are we going to do anything? And then I said, okay, let's go for pizza, because he enjoyed pizzas. But there was no question about the topic or who I am, because I was straightforward, concrete, and we shall meet and discuss and see how we sync together. And that's first mistake that people make, that they are not direct, they are not concrete with their offers, but they tend to be vague. They don't know who they are and what they are all about. So they are just doing something. So the second mistake that people make while making offers is talking about themselves. That's quite obvious, but it's not always so obvious that people want to offer something and then they are like, oh, I have got this great product. Do you want to buy it? No one wants to buy anything from you. No one wants nothing from you. But if you are able to ask, how are you? What you been up to? What's your favorite activity? Can I solve a problem that you have? For example, when I'm offering my products and I'm marketing, when people say no to me, then I ask, but how can I help you? Do you have a company or organization that I could market for free? They are totally shocked and puzzled. What? Someone just wanted to sell me something, but then decided to offer to help me for free and be my friend. It's quite confusing, but I've seen that's the most efficient way of creating great relationships, because many people have bought my product after I have advertised them for free, because they have been so glad, they have been happy that I was willing to help them for free and they are willing to help me. That's important lesson that I have learned. And you can do it many ways. You can see how you can be a benefit for other people, how you can uplift their experience of life. So third mistake that people they make when they have something, a great thing to offer, a service to the world, that they are silent about it, that they do not speak up. They think that marketing and communication is something associated with money and something dirty and something that makes them feel nauseous and incompetent. But actually, that's the greatest gift, when you can offer your product to the world, when you can talk about it, and you can make people realize that you have something special that can uplift their lives. That's the most important thing ever, to speak about your offering, about your greatest gift that you have brought to the world. I hope you enjoyed. Check out 8 exercises for voice exercises. Yeah, exercises for exercises. And subscribe. So, bye.